Mabuhayers. Once again, welcome to my Mabuhay YouTube Mabuhay channel for another edition of my endorsement, Live and Alive. I'm here in Catalunan, Pequeño, just in front of South Pacific Subdivision in Maypen. For today's edition, I would like to feature the latest in the city. Here in Davao, Life is Here, our cafe. So, it's not only coffee, but they're also serving pasta, breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Okay, with all this. It's located in BMDK building. BMDK building. Yes, this one. In front of the highway. Also near with the NCCC Choice Mart over there. And also the 7-Eleven, just a distance sa Palawan Remittance Center. So, this is it. My picture of the latest. Just opened a few days ago. And I'm really happy to know that the owner is Bermudez. The surname is Bermudez. And of course, my grandmother is Bermudez. So, let's have slide. We'll slide. We will not slide here. So, slide the door. And this is the entrance. I would like to feature the ambience, the cozy and the comfy here. We're in happiness starts here. It's really for family bonding, friends, you alone, or your office mates in a company. It's really an ideal place. And I have learned a while ago in my interview that they are having their prices of one coffee from 140 and up, and will depend on your order. There are also sandwiches, so on and so forth. And mine, I ordered my favorite healthy drink, which is cucumber. And this one. Okay, fish fillet. Fish fillet is also available here. Okay, let's have this one. Let me feature to you the philosophy behind this establishment, our cafe. So let's read the background or the statement about this establishment, which is the latest in the city. So we have here our cafe, Happiness Starts Here. Our cafe symbolizes the idea of cherishing each moment and making the most out of every hour. We want to emphasize the value of time well spent, encouraging patrons to slow down, savor the present, and enjoy the simple pleasures of life. This place denotes a personal touch with our customers, implying that it's not just a business entity, but a place where relationships are built and nurtured. It emphasizes inclusivity and a sense of shared ownership among the customers and staff. This place is ours. We strive to create a space where our customers feel genuinely happy and content by delivering warm hospitality, delicious products, and relaxing atmosphere that fosters positive social interactions and connection. So happiness begins here in our cafe, our brand promise. So they have also their branch in Kalinan branch, Abayon Subdivision, Kalinan, Davao City, fronting Carmilas. And their contact number is 099476505541. Kalinan branch, may I repeat, 099476505541. Catalunan, Pequeño, located in Door 2, BMDK Building, Kilometer 12, Catalunan, Pequeño, Davao City, fronting South Pacific Subdivision. Contact number 0968-399-6219. May I repeat, contact number 0968-399-6219. So if you'd like to have your delivery, will be done through Grab. You can order via Grab. So what are these food items available?